Here we have the Trane heat pump at Grissom. As it turns out, it's a 1987 unit. The model number is, I believe that's an 8, YCC48G1H0BC. Serial number is 8341 from the looks of it. 4328888 or 86D. I'll just look at the picture I took of that. It was made in August of 1987. Most likely replaced this unit definitely replaced the wall hung, most likely an old U-bank, just by looking at the wall here. It actually still runs, although it's not running right now. This is a very nice unit. Unfortunately, it was installed the best. But yeah, 1987 Trane heat pump at Grissom High School. Over and out.